I was going to start with this shot and then ask you, you know, what player do you think it is? But of course, from the title, you already know that it is a Wadia WT-3200 CD Transport. The guy who brought it over to me said that this was like Marantz CD-94 inside. Well, the mechanism is, but the rest of it is certainly not the Marantz CD-94. Well, for starters, you know, all the Marantz players have SPDIF output like Sydney Opera House sales, and obviously this is pretty much square. You know, so that's, and of course what counts the most is the transitions up to down and down to up, and they're vertical. So, and that's good because it's a transport. This is pre-time where they had a filters that were ready-made. So there's a board here. It says micro even on it. There's some couple of chips there. I haven't really looked what they are, but that looks like a good filtering board. Toroidal transformer. As you see, plenty of copper as far as shielding is concerned. Now hopefully I will not short anything here when I remove all this shielding. It will be an awful shame to screw up this player. The boards, as you see, I'm not really good at this, so I don't know, but these look like a highest quality boards. I have no idea if they're glass made or whatnot, but I haven't seen these in Philips players normally. So it's not just a bulk standard CD player. No idea what that is. Maybe that's some kind of a clock or something. I'll have to sort of investigate it further. I just opened it up. Standard Philips SAA 7210, and of course, well, this being Wadia Transport doesn't respond to Wadia remotes, but it does respond to CD63 commands. So there you are. So it is obviously Philips mechanism and Philips servo, but I think the electronics and the treatment of the signal is all Wadia. Well, that's all there is to say about it for now. I'll just do a servicing, replace belts, and that should be it. On the output, one thing worth of note that already then they had the glass optical there. I'm using a plastic optical into the benchmark DAC, but yeah, they were pretty early on to that ITT standard. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye bye.